My name starts with the letter A. I have a big smile. I can hold my breath under the water. I love to sunbathe. Who am I?
I'm an alligator. I have a big toothy smile. Did you know that alligators have about 80 teeth in their mouths? If one falls out, a new one grows back. This means I can grow over 3,000 teeth in my lifetime. Alligators can hold their breath for a long time. I can stay underwater for up to an hour without coming up for air. Sunbathing is my favorite. Since I'm considered cold-blooded, laying in the sun helps me to warm up and get energy.
My name starts with the letter B. I have big, strong teeth. My tail is large and flat. I'm a great swimmer. Who am I?
I'm a beaver. Beavers have super strong teeth. A beaver's front teeth never stop growing. We use them to chew wood and build our homes. Our teeth are orange because they're super strong. Beavers have a big, flat tail. Our tails help us swim fast, stand up, and even slap the water to warn other beavers if danger is near. Beavers are great swimmers. We have webbed feet like ducks. I can swim underwater for up to 15 minutes without coming up for air.
My name starts with the letter C. I have 4 stomachs. I sleep standing up. I give milk. Who am I? I'm a cow. Did you know I have 4 stomachs? Cows eat grass and chew all day. Our 4 stomachs help us digest our food slowly. Cows help farmers by giving fresh milk, which we use to make cheese, yogurt, and ice cream. Soft ice cream. I can sleep standing up. Cows sometimes nap while standing, but they lie down when they want a deep sleep. Cows are gentle, helpful, and super cool. My name starts with the letter D. I can hear far distances. My legs are bouncy. I love to eat plants. Who am I?
I'm a deer. My legs are bouncy, which enable me to jump really high as a small house. I use my strong legs to run fast and leap over logs and bushes. I have very good hearing. We can twist our big ears in different directions to hear sounds from far away, helping us stay safe in the wild. Deer are vegetarians. We don't eat meat, but love munching on leaves, grass, and even yummy apples from trees.
My name starts with the letter E. I have super sharp eyes. My hunting skills are strong. My home is very large. Who am I?
I'm an eagle. Eagles soar through the sky and can dive down super fast. Some can fly as fast as a race car. I use my sharp claws, called talons, to grab fish and other food. We are some of the best hunters in the sky. Eagles can see far, far away, even better than people. We can spot a tiny fish in the water from way up in the sky. Eagles make big nests out of sticks high up in trees or on cliffs. Some nests can be as big as a car.
My name starts with the letter F. I have a very fluffy tail. I like to jump and pounce. I'm a night explorer. Who am I?
I am a fox. My big, bushy tail helps keep me warm in the winter, just like a cozy blanket. Foxes are great jumpers. I can jump high and pounce on my food, like a little superhero in the snow. I like to explore at night. Foxes love to come out at night and sneak around looking for food, just like little nighttime adventurers.
My name starts with the letter G. I love to climb. I have kids. When I talk, I say mama. Who am I? I am a goat. Goats can climb rocks, hills, and even trees. We have special hooves that help us balance. Just like little children are called kids, baby goats are also called kids. They love to jump and play all day. Goats don't say moo like cows, they bleat, which sounds like ma, ma. Some even sound like they're talking. My name starts with the letter H. I talk with my ears. I have a very large heart. I am very social. Who am I?
I'm a horse. I can talk with my ears. Horses move their ears to show how they feel. Forward means happy, and pinned back means I might be grumpy. My heart is huge. It's as big as a basketball and helps me run really fast. Some of my friends can run as fast as a car. Just like you, I love having friends. Horses are very social and live in groups called herds. I feel safe and happy when we're together.
My name starts with the letter I. I am all over the world. I can fly and walk. My mouth is curvy. Who am I?
I'm an ibis. Ibises have long, curved beaks that help scoop up food like worms and fish from the mud and water. I can walk and fly because I use my long legs to wade through water, but I can also spread my big wings and fly high in the sky. Ibises live near rivers, lakes, and marshes because we love to splash around and find yummy food in the water. However, we also live in many other places, all over the world, from hot deserts to rainy swamps, as long as there's water nearby.
My name starts with the letter J. I have very strong teeth. I have spots everywhere. I love to swim. Who am I?
I'm a jaguar. Jaguars have beautiful golden fur covered in black spots that help them hide in the jungle. Jaguars have powerful jaws and can bite through bones. They are some of the strongest big cats in the world. Jaguars love to swim. Unlike most cats, I love water. They are great swimmers and like to cool off in rivers and lakes.
My name starts with the letter K. I use my tail to balance. I can jump very far. You can only find me down under. Who am I? I'm a kangaroo and I love to hop. Kangaroos don't walk like humans do. We hop on our strong back legs and can jump really far. Hopping makes me super fast. A kangaroo can hop as fast as a speeding bicycle, up to 40 miles per hour. My big, strong tail helps me stand up and balance when I hop around. Kangaroos only live in Australia. You won't find wild kangaroos in most places, where I have lots of open space to hop around. My name starts with the letter L. I am close to my mom. I'm the baby. I wear a coat. Who am I? I'm a lamb. A lamb is a baby sheep. When we grow up, girl lambs become ewes and boy lambs become rams. I make a cute baa-baa sound to talk to my mom and other sheep in my flock. My coat is made of wool. A lamb's fluffy wool keeps them warm in cold weather. I love my mom, just like you love your mom. Lambs follow their moms everywhere to stay safe and learn how to be a sheep. My name starts with the letter M. I live in a group. I have black eye patches. I love sunlight. Who am I? I'm a meerkat. I love to stand on my back legs to look around. I keep watch for danger while my friends play. Meerkats live in big groups called mobs or clans. We take care of each other. The black fur around my eyes help protect me from the bright sun, like little built-in sunglasses. In the morning, I love to stand in the sun and warm up my body before I start my day. My name starts with the letter N. I love land and water. I can regrow my tail. My skin is colorful and slippery. Who am I?
I'm a newt. Newts start their lives in water as tiny babies and then grow up to live on both land and in water. If I lose my tail, I can grow a new one just like magic. My skin is slippery. Instead of scales, I have soft, wet skin that helps me breathe. Newts are super colorful. I can be bright orange, yellow, or red to warn predators that I taste bad.
My name starts with the letter O. I'm a silent flyer. I have big eyes. My bedtime is during the day. Who am I?
I'm an owl. My feathers help me fly around without making a sound, so I can sneak up on my food. Owls have big eyes that help them see in the dark, but they can't move their eyes like you do. I sleep during the day and stay awake at night to look for food. Did you know I can twist my head almost all the way around, up to 270 degrees, to look in every direction? Don't try this at home.
My name starts with the letter P. I have extra thumbs. I love to tumble. I eat a lot. Who am I? I'm a panda. Pandas eat bamboo almost all day long, up to 40 pounds of it every day. I have a special extra bone in my paws that help me hold bamboo like a hand. Pandas eat and sleep almost all day. They need lots of energy to stay strong. However, I love to tumble, roll, and play in the grass, snow, and even mud. My name starts with the letter Q. I have feathers on my head. I run very fast. I have a large family. Who am I?
I'm a quail. Quails are small, chubby birds with short tails that like to run more than they fly. Many quails have a curly feather on top of their head that bounces when they move. Like a little hat. I am super fast. Instead of flying away from danger, quails run really fast to hide in bushes and grass. Quails live in big groups called coveys, and they all help keep each other safe.
My name starts with the letter R. I look like a sneaky bandit. My paws look like hands. I like to dip my food in water. Who am I?
I'm a raccoon. Raccoons are clever, curious, and fun to learn about. I have black fur around my eyes that looks like a mask, making me look like a sneaky bandit. We sleep during the day and wake up at night to look for food. Exploring is fun. I use my paws like hands to grab food, open lids, and even turn doorknobs. Sometimes I dip my food in water before eating it. It looks like I'm washing it.
My name starts with the letter S. I hang upside down. I move very slow. I swim well. Who am I?
I'm a sloth. Sloths move really slowly, even slower than a turtle. Even though they move slowly on land, sloths can swim really well in the water. I spend most of my time hanging upside down from trees, even when I sleep. Sloth's fur sometimes turns green because tiny plants called algae grow on it, helping them blend into the trees. Sloths are sleepy, silly, and fun to learn about.
My name starts with the letter T. I'm a vegetarian. I can grow very old. I was born with a shell. Who am I?
I'm a tortoise. My shell is like a built-in house that keeps me safe. Tortoises move very slowly, but we always get where we need to go. Some tortoises can live for over 100 years. That's older than your great-grandparents. I eat leaves, grass, and fruits, just like a little garden. Baby tortoises start as eggs, and when they hatch, they already have tiny little shells.
My name starts with the letter U. I'm related to sheep. I am wild. I have a reddish-brown coat. Who am I?
I'm a Uriel. Uriels are a type of wild sheep that live in the mountains and hills. Male Uriels have big, curly horns that keep growing their whole life. I can climb steep hills and rocky mountains without slipping. Uriels run and jump really fast to stay safe from predators. I have a distinctive long, reddish-brown coat, which fades during the colder winter season. Just like farm sheep, baby Uriels are called lamb and love to play.
My name starts with the letter V. I can rattle. I can see at night. I have long teeth. Who am I? I'm a viper. Vipers are snakes with fangs, teeth. I have long, sharp fangs that helps me catch food. Vipers can be many colors, such as green, brown, or even bright colors to help them blend in with trees and rocks. I can rattle or shake my tail to warn others to stay away. My eyes are like a cat, which helps me see well at night. Some vipers don't hatch from eggs, they are born ready to slide on the ground. My name starts with the letter W. I have tusk. I float on water. I have long teeth. Who am I?
I'm a walrus. Walruses have long, sharp tusks that help them climb on ice and protect themselves. I can sleep floating in the water or on ice for a long time. And I can stay underwater for up to 30 minutes while looking for food. My whiskers help me feel for food, like clams, at the bottom of the ocean. I live in big groups called herds and love to cuddle to stay warm.
My name starts with the letter X. I love to dig. I eat seeds. I play all the time. Who am I?
I'm a xeris. Xeris are ground squirrels that live in Africa. I have a big, fluffy tail that helps shade me from the hot sun. We love playing with our families and being close to them. Xeris enjoy digging burrows underground to stay safe and cool. I love munching on seeds, nuts, and roots to stay strong.
My name starts with the letter Y. I live in the cold. I grunt when I talk. My fur is warm. Who am I?
I'm a yak. Yaks have thick, warm fur that keeps them cozy in the cold mountains. We love cold weather and live in Tibet, Nepal, and other high places. Unlike cows, I grunt instead of moo when I talk to my friends. People use my fur to make blankets, scarves, and coats.
My name starts with the letter Z. I am unique. I'm a part of a herd. I run fast. Who am I? I'm a zebra. Zebras can run up to 40 miles per hour to escape danger. I can doze off while standing, so I can run away quickly if needed. My family is part of a herd or group, and we play together and protect each other. I am one of a kind since no two zebras have the same stripes.